How to keep maps north up on Google Maps. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can put up north side upwards on Google Maps. Firstly, navigate to the Google Maps app. If you cannot find it, then simply go to the search bar on the top and search for Google Maps. Open Google Maps on your device and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Your profile picture will be displayed. Tap on your profile picture. Now you will see a menu like this. From this menu, access your settings. Search for the settings option and click on it. In settings, you will see different options like this. Since we want to control the navigation of Google Maps, tap on navigation at the very top. Inside navigation, scroll down slightly. Doing that will bring you to this page. Here you should see an option called Keep Map North Up, and right beside that you will also see a switch icon. Tap on the switch icon to turn it on. After it has been turned on, the north side will always be upwards. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.